In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to fix the Google Drive waiting to upload error. If you find this useful, consider subscribing and liking the video. Let's dive right in and tackle that pesky issue. First things first, sometimes a simple refresh can work wonders. So go ahead and refresh your Google Drive homepage. If you've had the tab open for a while, minor glitches can sometimes prevent your uploads from starting, and a quick refresh might just clear those right up. Now, while we're on the topic of troubleshooting, let's check your internet connection. A stable connection is crucial for uploading files seamlessly. To do this, why not open another website or maybe a video and see how that loads? If it feels slow or doesn't load at all, your Wi-Fi might be acting up. If that's the case, consider resetting your router. You can also try switching to a wired connection if possible. That generally offers a more stable experience, especially for uploading larger files. All right, let's move on to an important point, your storage capacity. Have you taken a look at the storage indicator located in the lower left corner of your Google Drive? It'll tell you just how much space you're using. If you've hit your storage limit, that's likely the culprit behind the waiting uploads. You might need to delete some old files to make space for new ones. Or if you frequently find yourself running out of space, you might want to think about upgrading your plan to accommodate all your files without worry. Now, if your storage is indeed full, it's time for a digital cleanup. Tidy up your drive by removing files you no longer need, or consider transferring older data to another service or external storage. This can help you free up space and make it easier to manage your files in the long run. Still having trouble? Let's move on. Sometimes browser extensions can interfere with your uploads as well. If you're using any ad blockers or privacy extensions, try disabling them temporarily and see if that resolves the issue. Also, if you're using an outdated browser, make sure to update it. Running the latest version can improve functionality and help avoid problems with Google Drive. If the waiting to upload message persists despite taking all these steps, consider switching to a different browser entirely. Sometimes compatibility issues arise that can hinder your uploading abilities, and trying a different browser can help you circumvent that problem. Let's not forget about your devices too. If you're on a mobile device, check if you have background data usage enabled for Google Drive. If it's restricted, uploads might stall, leaving you with that waiting message. Finally, if all else fails, it might be worth checking Google's service page to see if there are any widespread issues affecting uploads. Sometimes it's on their end, and knowing that can save you some time and frustration. Thanks for following along. I hope these tips help you resolve the Google Drive waiting to upload error so you can get back to seamlessly managing your files. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe for more helpful tips. Happy uploading!